Tula or poem from Rudyard Kipling. Tagalog. Kung mapapanatili mo ang iyong ulo kapag ang lahat ng nasa paligid mo ay nawawalan na ng pag-asa. Kung magtitiwala ka sa iyong sarili kapag ang lahat ng iba ay nagdududa sa iyo. Kung makakapaghintay ka ng hindi napapagod. Kung hindi ka makikipag-usap sa mga kasinungalingan o magbibigay daan sa pagkapuot. In English, if you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too. If you can wait and not be tired by waiting, or being lied about, don't deal in lies, or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good nor talk too wise. The poem goes on to offer guidance on resilience, humility, and integrity.